Hello First Neighborhood homeowners, it's Ernest Iturriaga with SG Associates, your First Neighborhood real estate experts. I will be covering First Neighborhood housing market trends for March 2022 and Q1 of 2022. In March, we saw 4 new listings here in First Neighborhood, which is down 20% from the same time last year where we had 5. Looking back at Q1 of 2022, we had a total of 11 new listings, with one of them being off market, which puts us at 10. Which was the same number of new listings that came on in Q1 of 2021. In March, First Neighborhood saw a total of 6 closed sales, which was up 100% compared to the same time last year where we had 3. In March, the average list price was 1.512, which was up 26% from 1.2 the same time last year. The average sales price was 1.661, up 37% compared to 1.208 in 2021. Looking back at Q1 2022 versus Q1 2021, we are up 75% with 7 closed sales compared to 4 closed sales in Q1 of 2021. The average list price for Q1 was 1.445, which was up 23% compared to the same time last year of 1.175. Average sales price for Q1 was 1.573, up 33% compared to 1.183 in 2021. The highest closed sale for March 2022 was located on 4500 Knights Gate Road. That property was listed at 1.598 and that sold for 1.820 at $837 a square foot. The highest price per square foot was $958 a square foot, and that property was located on 4319 Baronsgate, which sold for 1.665. The lowest closed sale here in First Neighborhood was located on 31930 Benchley Court. That property was listed at 1.3 and sold for 1.525 at $607 a square foot. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Whether you plan to buy or sell in 2022, the best thing you can do is align yourself with an agent who is highly active and truly understands the current market trends. Last year, we helped 33 families buy or sell real estate here in Westlake Village and the surrounding communities. That means we know what it takes to deliver the absolute best results for both home buyers and home sellers.